The serenity of nature and what I call healing images is my first stop when I need to boost my mood or need time to process something that is bothering me. I'm not unique to this thinking. In one study, researchers Marcus and Barnes find that more than 2/3 of people choose a natural setting to retreat to when stressed. In another study, 95% of those interviewed say their mood improves after spending time in nature, with moods changing from depressed, stressed, and anxious to more calm and balanced. But why is nature so restorative and healing to us? Well, the answer lies in our genes. Some researchers believe our healing connection to nature is hardwired in our genes. According to a leading researcher on healing gardens, Roger Aldrich says that we have a biologically prepared disposition to respond favorably to nature because we evolved in nature. Survival is another reason for our biological connection to nature. Humans who paid close attention to nature gathered key information that helped them survive and reproduce. So therefore, this tendency to have this close connection with nature lives on in those genes. Many studies show that after a stressful event, images of nature very quickly produce a calming effect. It only takes 3 to 4 minutes after viewing nature scenes that blood pressure, respiration rate, brain activity, and the production of stress hormones all decrease and mood improves. This again has an evolutionary advantage because it allows us to recuperate and recover our energy quickly. This ability to recover from stress helps us be ready to respond to new threats, which was important for our ancestors' survival. And finally, nature is also fundamentally linked to our spirituality. When we are in nature, we feel connected to energies beyond ourselves. We also understand our interdependence with other living beings. Nature helps us reflect on our ever-changing existence. It provides an important space in which we can connect spiritually to both our outer and, most importantly, to our inner world.